हेलो व्यूअर्स, लीगल आइज लेके आया है कंटेंट ऑफ सीआरपीसी पर अपनी नई वीडियो। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। द सीआरपीसी 1973 हैज़ बीन classified into cognizable and non-cognizable offense, bailable and non-bailable offense, summons and warrant cases. Number 2. How many sections and chapters are there in CRPC? There are 484 sections and 37 chapters in CRPC. The object of making classification between warrant case and summon case are to know the procedure of trial, to know the points of procedure. For number 4, under which chapter of CRPC provisions as to the offences affecting the administration of justice have been legislated? Under chapter 26. Under which chapter of CRPC provisions as to the accused person of unsound mind have been enshrined? Under chapter 25. Now number 6. Which chapter of CRPC provisions relating to appeal have been dealt with? In chapter 26. Now number 7. In which chapter of CRPC there are provisions related to bail and bonds? Under chapter 33. Now number 8. Which chapter of CRPC the law relating to disposal of property has been provided? Under chapter 34. It has been divided. Thank you.